Okay, it is 9:35 a.m. and I want to go over the trade I closed with targets. This is the one that I held for more than one day. It was a swing trade, but I didn't hold it for that much. I shorted this on the 30th, which was right here, and that was at let me find the price actually, the exact price. It was, I guess I can find it here, or I guess not anymore. I did short this thing at 134.67, and that was, I felt like maybe I was a bit too late to it because every single day it was selling off and it had more and more volume. As you can see, like the volume kept increasing and then increasing more. And I thought maybe I could be a bit late, but I liked how I shorted it right after it broke below this multi-level support right here. So I had that going for me, and I held on to it for a while, at least compared to how long I normally hold on to setups. And I did cover my entire position. I kind of got confused with the orders a little bit because it saved the stop order here. So when I placed an order, it was a stop, it wasn't a limit. But yeah, I did get out one share at 933, which was right here at 128.60. And then it just sold off massively. I'm glad I just sold half of my position of two shares. And I did get rid of the last one just because it just sold off so much. I mean, it's been selling off every single day, but this is like the first time that it had like a really big gap down since this day right here. So I figured maybe this could be like max panic. It could continue to sell off over a longer period of time, but I don't think this one is hated as much as the other one, Bud Light. So I did cover the remaining share that I had short at 934, which was right here, and that was at 127.50. So I covered some right here in this little wick right here, and I ended up profitable, not much because I didn't trade a large position, but roughly $13. If I click here, yeah, $13.23 because I started with $2,500. I wanted it to be a nice round number. I'm glad it worked out. I just wish I shorted more shares, maybe a $50 risk level, than I would have had maybe 5 shares short. Or if I wanted to be ballsy, I could have bought an option, and that would have been massively more profitable. But if it would it have worked out, that would have really sucked. So I think I'll, in the meantime, just stick with trading, my position, not using leverage that is available with options. And, if I just get good, I can just be able to grow that account and be able to, trade larger positions that way with the experience behind it, not just trading, with leverage using options. So yeah, that's the case with that. I'll be looking for any setups to day trade, sure, but yeah, I want to focus on swing trading stuff, and that's all I have for right now. Okay, it is 10:39 p.m. and I'm here to call it off. I didn't trade anything else. It was just that one trade with Target, and yeah, it was a nice amount that I made, $13.23. The percent gain was 5.5 and 4.5 to round it off. I was right with the idea. My best cover was right here, this 127.50 level, and it didn't have to do it, but one of the reasons why I got out of this was just that it was selling off, as you can see, every single day, and the volume kept increasing, and then we had like this big volume day right here. But the main thing was that once it actually had a gap down, this was a complete change in the way it's been doing it, where it would just open and then sell, open, sell, open, sell, open, sell. When it had this gap down, I thought that was like maybe a potential worst case, max panic after having this big volume day, and it could try to turn around, and that's what I ended up doing. Um, I guess I could have went long, but you never know. It could have just tried to turn around a little, and then it sells off. It did try to regain itself, and I don't think it's going to be anything like Bud Light, because the people who shop at Target is much different than the people upset with Bud Light. So yeah, I don't think it's going to affect it that much, and maybe it will try to uptrend a few days and then sell off some more, or maybe just continue to sell off. I really don't know. Just got out again because I had that gap down in the big volume day before. I didn't trade anything else, and that's all I have. Yeah, I obviously wish I had more shares short or maybe even a put. But that's just because it worked out. It could have not have worked out, and then I'd be happy with the position that I have right now. So I'm still thinking if I'm gonna stick to a $20 risk level because these are swing trades, they take longer, or if I can trade something much larger, I might try to just do something around $20 for now, perhaps, and keep trying. And if I keep seeing more consistency, maybe increase my position or my risk level until I have like a loss or something like that, perhaps. So, yeah, that's it for today. Just that one trade with Target and nothing else.